Hello and welcome to Spectralytics tutorial number 1, uploading imagery. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the mechanics of actually taking imagery from your computer and loading it onto the Spectralytics platform. But before we do that, let's talk briefly about the types of imagery data that we can accept. So, first of all, we are platform agnostic, meaning we don't care if it's satellite or drone or aircraft data. Either of those platforms are fine with us. Secondly, we're sensor agnostic. So whether it's high resolution RGB or if it's multispectral or hyperspectral, the platform can take any number of bands from any image size so long as it's below 5 gigabytes. Worth noting though that all of the imagery you do upload has to be an orthomosaic, a geo-rectified orthomosaic, meaning it's assembled all the images into an image map, and that image map has its geographic coordinates attached to the file. If you meet that criteria, then you're free to go on to the next step, which is to actually do the upload. And let's show you how this works. So here is your home page with your menu options on the left side of your screen. If you want to upload data, you simply select your images and it brings you to the image archive. Now this archive contains all of the files that you have uploaded with their associated metadata to it, so you know what type of imagery file it is. So the three options you have are to upload your GeoTIFF, or you could use our service using WebODM to build a GeoTIFF, or you can contact us and we have professional services that can build a GeoTIFF for you. But let's say you've had it built already and now you're ready to upload. So you click the upload button and then you're presented with several fields here where you put in descriptive data to describe your data. And the reason this is important is because later on you're going to have lots of images in your archive. So being able to search for them requires you to put in some pretty descriptive terms that you can use for referencing later. So you give it a name, you give it a description, and then simply go in to select where the file is located on your hard drive. There's the file, and then you can also open up the Advanced tab here, which gives you some options to select which bands you'd like to use to present or create a 3-band red, green, and blue composite. So in this particular case, these are the associated bands with the red, green, and blue channels. Once you have them selected, you simply hit submit. Now this is critical. Do not navigate away from this page until the image file is completely uploaded and you've been told that your file is ready for view. If you navigate away from this, you will break the connection and then the upload will cease. So just simply leave this window open and then come back to it once you've received a notification that your image is uploaded.